He spent a lot of hours and got this website, developed it to his web server on his own dime so you could have a voice. So you could go on and write comments and say, I want to recall my councilman. He's been on the radio talking about this event, getting the word out. Truly a patriot. I look up to him as a mentor. My good friend, Eric Hogue.
How's everybody doing today? Good? Yeah! Real good! What a beautiful day for a recall rally. You know, I'm looking at Mark Williams over there. Mark, you know what? We're a little older, but shades of history, huh? 2003 going on here. I had my headset on doing live radio. I don't know what has been said, what hasn't been said, but my thanks to Paul Smith. Paul has put hours and labor and effort and sweat behind your voice today. Earlier today, he was in a federal courthouse getting an injunction against the city pulling a permit. He probably covered that. Paul Smith defended your First Amendment today. Mr. Mark Williams, I don't know what to say about Mark Williams. You know, a picture of Mark and I together, people probably think it's been photoshopped, but you talk about voices for the Constitution and voices for the future of this state and the city and the country. Mark, are you serious? You're running for city council? My man, Mark Williams for city council. Craig DeLuz, Craig, thank you for so many years representing the issue of government and its appropriate size and its appropriate position. Craig DeLuz, thank you so much for what you represent in the city as well, and education. Now, from me to you, thank you. Thank you for showing up today and not standing in a line somewhere to buy an iPhone. Thank you for showing up today and representing not a phone, but speech. Yeah. Your speech, free speech in the face of government out of control. Thank you. Thank you. Now, I don't care where you rest on the immigration law in Arizona. I've said it on the air. I don't care. You may be in favor of a boycott of Sacramento. That may be some today, right? You may be in favor of recalling the city council. That's right. You may have an opinion of, I don't know what those loons are doing now, but I don't like them. The issue is, this is the fine example of local government out of control. What starts here and doesn't get corrected goes about 300 yards that way and ends up in the state capitol. And so all politics are local. It starts with your city councilman and your city councilwoman. If they don't care about a $43 million deficit, but they're worried about another state, they gotta go. If they don't care about your fire station having the lights on and a fire truck that runs to your rescue, but they're worried about another state, they gotta go. If they don't care about your law enforcement and your police protection, and by the way, the fine law enforcement helping us out today, but in the end, if they don't care about that and they're in city council, they gotta go. You know, there was a time when the mayor was talking about building a sports and entertainment complex here in Sacramento. That is never going to happen when you're worried about what another state is doing. They got to go. Last time I checked, we have a judiciary system. If Arizona wants to write a law that refers to what they're dealing with in their state, with their state line that rests upon the country's border, with the country that doesn't care about illegalities, that's flooding their state with issues they can't pay for, can't survive, and don't want to live through. And they write a law, whether I like it or not. I don't live in Arizona.